Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Fit podcast, where we, or at least me this time, talk about your health and wellness and how you can help better yourself in all things health and overall wellness. My name is Kyler Boucher. I am currently a senior at BYU Idaho Online, and I'm studying to become a physical therapist. I'm 23 years old, and I do want to say that I'm not a trained professional, so please do not do anything that would or could possibly risk your overall wellness without consulting your doctor or health professional first. All right, so the topic that what we're going to talk about is about arthritis and how it does affect us every day, but also what we can do to um, help better our lives, even with like battling arthritis. So the topic is that we're going to talk about today is going to be that of arthritis and how it really affects us, and by introducing more of a healthy lifestyle that can actually help fight arthritis and create a better life and one that's worth living. So one of the stories that I really liked was that there was a story about a young woman named Randy Blackmon who has rheumatoid arthritis. Randy had big dreams and wanted to live out those dreams, but something was stopping her. What was stopping her? People in her own peop what was stopping her wasn't even people in her way, or even papers. It was rheumatoid arthritis. So during high school, Randy was a track star. Had she was incredible. In the news article, it really describes of what she was able to do, and because of how good she was, she actually got the chance to become a D1. For those of you who do not know what D1 means, that is a Division One athlete. So you are part of some of the best athletes in the country, uh, going to a college or university, and she was going to the University of Alabama in 2015. So arthritis followed her throughout her whole entire life, but she decided that wasn't going to stop her from living out her dreams. But something that did stop her for a brief moment and really think about what she wanted to do and think about how to grasp hold of this whole entire thing was freshman year. And this is in the news article. You guys can go and read it. I would strongly suggest reading it. It is a great news article. Freshman year, she actually got hurt, and it was knee injury, and she actually had to consult her coach about it, and how about it was more than just a knee injury. And that put a damper on a few things, and that really kind of stopped her from wanting to do stuff. But Randy is freaking headstrong, and she knew what she wanted. So that didn't stop her from living out her dreams, because she graduated in exercise science, and now she is a personal trainer, but not just a personal trainer, but a personal trainer who inspires others daily. That doesn't matter what people, and tells others that it doesn't matter what people say or what illness you have, but that you can still live out your dreams and do the things you want to do. So the call to action is really, well, th- there's multiple things that you could do for a call to action. But for me personally, I would encourage every single person who is listening, or who do struggle with arthritis, or knows someone who struggles with arthritis, to know that they are not alone, that they can still do what they want to do and still live out their dreams. Because really, that's what it comes down to. It comes down to us being human with each other, and knowing that people want to live out their dreams and their goals, and to know that they are not alone in this process. Uh, just really gives them that inspirational feeling that I can do this. I'm not alone. There are other people like me. They're crushing their goals. Why can't I? I'm gonna go out and do that. Um, I know this was a shorter podcast than probably some of you are used to. But I do want to thank every single one of you for listening to this podcast, and please do follow us on Instagram for information for arthritis help, um, and to and to go to Apple Podcasts or Spotify to always know and stay updated on our podcasts. Again, I'm Kyler Boucher, and you are listening to Healthy Fit podcast. I hope that each and every single one of you have a fantastic day, and I will be including the link in the description. No, I will be including the link at the very bottom. Again, have a wonderful day, and yeah.